My vision is clear and my heart is open. Success and happiness gravitate towards me. Receiving love and respect is easy for me. I deserve all the love and respect that comes to me. It is easy for me to know the solutions for everything. My brain functions at a very high speed. I have brilliant observation skills. I am consistent in my efforts. I am focused on my goal. People gravitate towards my intellect. People look up to me for my opinions. Everyone else is beneath me. I am successful in everything. I get a lot of easy opportunities to show my intelligence. I get a lot of easy opportunities to show my talents. I'm very talented. Everyone else is beneath me. It's easy for me to get appreciation. It's easy for me to manifest everything my heart desires. It's easy for my parents to love me. It's easy for my siblings to love me. It's easy for my teachers to love me. Everyone values me in their lives. Everyone loves to spend time with me. My happiness and spending time with me is the priority for my family. I accept all the love that comes to me automatically. I accept all the attention that comes to me automatically. I deserve all the good things happening to me. I'm worthy of all the good that comes to me automatically. Studying is easy for me. Retaining information in my brain is easy for me. Getting the right thought at the right time is easy for me. I cherish my body. I love my body. I have a healthy mind and healthy body. Eating healthy food every day is easy for me. It is easy for me to exercise every day. It is easy for me to find time to meditate every day. It is easy for me to sleep on time. It is easy for me to wake up early in the morning. My mind absorbs and processes new information with great speed. I love gaining knowledge, which helps me in growing up to my full potential. I am a very quick learner. I am very good at gaining knowledge and making proper use of it. My mind's ability to learn and remember is increasing every day. I love reading self help books. I love listening and reading about the journey of intelligent and successful people. I am a magnet for success. I am a magnet for attention. I am a magnet for love. I am a magnet for knowledge. I absorb knowledge like a sponge. Everyone looks up to me. Everyone else is beneath me. I am worthy of attention. I deserve attention. I accept all the attention and appreciation that comes to me constantly. I accept all the success that comes to me constantly. I am kind. I am humble. I am helpful. It is easy for me to be happy. It is easy for me to be successful. It is easy for me to make friends. I have intelligent, thoughtful friends. I have meaningful friendships in my life. I am surrounded by intelligent people who value me. I am a magnet for honest, hardworking, and intelligent people. I am a magnet for successful and creative people. It is easy for me to influence people. Everyone else is beneath me. People look up to me. It is easy to love me. It is easy for people to give me importance. I radiate confidence. I radiate brilliance. People are compelled to support me. People are compelled to care for me. People are compelled to protect me. People are compelled to love me. I shine and radiate my unique frequency to attract abundance in my life. I'm aligned with the universe. Universe listens to me and gives me positive manifestations constantly. I have a winner's mindset. I always have my goals in my view. I always achieve my goals effortlessly. It is easy for me to learn everything and remember it all. I have a positive mindset. I radiate positive energy. I am talented and prominent. I value my self respect and dignity. I am capable. I am in control of my progress. I create a healthy balance in my life. I always get through everything. I'm building my future. I'm changing the world. I win at everything. I'm excited to step into a new world. My mind is calm and happy. I'm blessed to live this life that I have created for myself. I love and approve of myself. I am always relaxed during my exams. Getting good grades is natural for me. I enjoy studying. While writing answers, I recall information quickly. I always work hard and smartly to clear my exams. I always get great results on my exams. I am surrounded by a bubble of white light around me. I am safe. I am loved. I am wanted. I am kind. I am confident. I am one with the universe. Universe protects me. Universe guides me on the right path always. I know the difference between right and wrong. Only I can decide and create my reality. The gratitude and kindness I show others come back to me multiplied. I retain knowledge effortlessly. I apply my skills and knowledge effortlessly to everything. I am excellent in my studies. I am excellent in my sports. I am excellent in finding solutions. I am grateful and kind. Success and I are good friends. I have successfully reframed my mirror, the mirror that I look into every day. When I look into this mirror, I project my life into it. What do I see? I see a confident smile on my face. I see good things in my life. I see positive things in my life. I see myself successful. I see myself confident. I see myself loved. I see myself excelling in everything. I see myself in perfectly healthy and beautiful body. I see myself accomplishing the hardest tasks effortlessly. I see myself achieving all my goals effortlessly. I project into the mirror and accept my positive reality. I deserve my positive reality. I thank the mirror. Thank you, mirror, for showing me that I am a winner. Thank you for showing me that I am loved. Thank you for showing me that I have the power to change my reality into positive. Thank you for showing me that I am brilliant. Thank you for showing me that I am loved and cared for. Thank you for showing me that I always achieve what I want. Thank you for showing me that my problems get solved automatically. Thank you for showing me that my family and my friends value me. Thank you for showing me that I have strong and reliable friendships. Thank you for showing me that I am consistently surrounded by intelligent, successful, and inspiring people. Thank you for showing me that I am consistently good at learning and applying my knowledge. Thank you for showing me that I am loved. Thank you for showing me that I am successful. Thank you for showing me that solutions to everything find me automatically. Thank you for showing me that I achieve my goals effortlessly. Thank you for showing me that I am always motivated by the right and positive thoughts. Thank you for showing me that I always have the right thought at the right time. Thank you for showing me that I am blessed.